Welcome to another video. My name is Tanner Planis, and I hope you're having an amazing and productive day so far. I've been doing dropshipping since 2017, originally with physical products, now more so with digital products. And right now in this video, I want to hop onto my computer and do live product research with you so that you can see how you can actually find digital product stores, products, and brands that are selling right now, and how you could use that for inspiration, not only for ad creatives that you're going to run for yourself, but also for products that you may actually want to sell. Now, if you're watching this right now, kind of near to when I'm actually making it, you are here at the right time because we are officially in Q4, which historically is known to be the time where it is the easiest to make sales because consumers are in the buying mindset the most because of holidays. And then on the digital product side, what I see being a big advantage is that we have New Year's coming up. So people have New Year's resolutions, they want to make changes, whether that's with their body, relationships, financially, whatever else. So they're more inclined and more inspired to take action towards those things and purchase digital products. So let's hop on my computer now and start doing some research with two different tools that I use whenever I want to get inspiration and see what's actually selling in the market right now. So now that we're on my computer, here's the first tool that I'm going to show you, which is the Facebook Ads Library. Now I use this with another tool as a combination. It is a paid service if you want to use it, but it's not needed. I think it just makes it a little bit easier. And they aren't sponsoring this video. I have an affiliate link in the description. It just gives me a little kickback if you do use it. But I'm going to show you how to do it the free way here with the Facebook Ads Library, and then how you can mix this here, this specific service, with the Facebook Ads Library to find things at the same time, because that's just what I do. So the free route to this would be going here to the Facebook Ads Library, where you can see active ads that are being ran right now, and search something like a digital planner. And specifically I put here the United States. Now just immediately I have a filter on automatically that just shows me ads that are active. I could turn this off, but I don't really have any interest in looking at ads that aren't being run right now and ads that are not having money being spent on them right now, because that wouldn't really be something that I would consider like a winning digital product that I would want to get into, because if they aren't spending money on it, then it probably wasn't working for them. But just here on the very second one, let me click on this right here, Brainwave Focus. So I know for an absolute fact that this is a Shopify store just because of this theme. But another way that you can go about this, just to actually confirm it, you can basically just change the backslash and put it to admin, and then it'll take me to a login. And you can see here it redirects to a Shopify URL, but I do not have access because obviously this is not my store. But now that we're back on here, I can see that this is an ADHD planner. They have a few different actual styles for it, colors. They're selling it for $33. I mean, this is a good first one to see, honestly. Let's just first go here. I'm going to copy this URL, and I'm going to duplicate this right here. And what I want to do is just look at specifically what this page is doing. So Brainwave Focus, let's just go here and see. So the longest ad that they have been running is since August 12th, and it's just a like page ad. Now this is something that you'll see dropshippers do a lot, because it just kind of creates social proof for cheap. I can run worldwide page-like ads and get a few thousand likes on my page for a relatively small amount of money spent. You could do the same thing as well. And it looks like they've been doing that since August, and now they have some new ad creatives on here. They've been running literally just for actually since today. So I don't know if I would consider this necessarily something that's winning at this moment, this store specifically, but if I remove this filter, maybe there's some inactive ads that would show me that they've tried things in the past. But honestly, it looks like that's not the case because I took the filter off and there's nothing else. So this is a relatively fresh store, but let's just keep browsing around, because honestly that was an easy one, to be honest. That was like a really, really easy one. Another way of going about this would be scrolling down, and you see here like, okay, maybe this isn't something that I'm super interested in. Dental business kit. This is more of a landing page, not specifically a Shopify store. I mean, we can check, but I don't believe it's a Shopify store. Nope, it is not a Shopify store. Nonetheless, let's scroll down and see what this actually is. It's a $27 dental business kit. Just all these different digital products for a dentist. And they're using some type of funnel setup, maybe ClickFunnels. Hey, it's Tanner. Sorry to interrupt your video, but while I was editing this video right now, I just remembered that there's this website called BuiltWith where you can search any URL and it will show you what tools an actual website is using for their hosting, their funnels, whatever it may be. And in this case, for the dentalbusinesskit.com, they are using Go High Level, not ClickFunnels, to sell their digital products. Let's go here and see what ads they are are running in general. Because honestly, I'm not a dentist. I don't know a ton about that industry, but if it's something that's in demand, then I'm not opposed to getting into that niche. The only thing that I'm thinking at this point is like if it's for dentists specifically, I feel like a $27 price point is pretty low, but also the odds are if that they're running a low ticket offer on ClickFunnels like this, there's probably some upsells, some things on the back end that they're going to be selling as well. But it looks like here they have ads that have been running since September 6th. So the odds are they are overall profitable with the offers that they have been running. But let's go back now because we've had some easy ones pop up here, some good examples so far. We have the dental one right here. This is Planners Ahead. They're running video UGC style ad. I like these. Let's check it out.
And by the end of the month, you have no idea where it all went. That was me every month. Then I started using this digital budget planner, and honestly, it changed everything. I can now see how much each coming up. No more money where I can grow my money and not have to worry about money. This planner makes everything so much.
All right, not bad to be honest. I do like the fact that they incorporate the visual of the digital product here, which is, it's literally just a Google spreadsheet. You can make a Google spreadsheet and customize it and make it all fancy and have these certain features, or have a freelancer do it. And then you can just sell that as a digital product. People do this for trading. People do this for just budgeting, finance overall, their fitness goals, like their macros. There's a lot of different options with these digital products. But the point of this video, I guess, is more so to show you which ones are actually working. Now, let's just see. This store only has, what, 2 page likes? Nothing huge here. This looks pretty new. The odds are they might be just literally ripping that video. I could be wrong. I could be very wrong. Let's go back here and take a look. Where did it go? Shop now. Here's the store. Okay. They're running it on Etsy. I don't run my stuff on Etsy just because I don't like the idea of basically building someone else's business instead of mine. And also you're selling very low ticket. I mean, $13.90. It's a very commoditized platform where everything kind of looks the same. And Etsy can decide if they want to flag your stuff, if they want to take down your listing. Also with Etsy, they have fees attached to it. And personally, I prefer to just build on my own brand. And even if that's going to take a little bit more time and cost more money up front, then that's something that I'm willing to do because of Ascension. You don't want to just sell a $13.90 product forever. You want to scale up and be able to sell things for $20, $40, $50, $100 plus and still maintain that ability to be faceless and sell these products that you pay for one time and then sell over and over. And the easiest way to do that and scale it by selling higher ticket products is by building rapport, goodwill with your customer base, selling a valuable low ticket product, keep warming them up and sell more products to them. That's really all it is. And with digital products especially, you have holidays, things like that. You can create different versions of your digital products specifically for holidays or current trends and then sell that to your existing customer base as like the lowest hanging fruit. Katie Cross, this is a strategy that I've seen people been doing. Some people do like a fake person as the avatar of a Facebook page and run their digital products through it because it just creates more rapport that way. Some people do it like as an actual person. Let's see what this one is, if it's a real person or an avatar. They're selling here a bunch of different little digital products. Katie Cross, I mean, this might be a real person. They could fool me. Been running since November 8th though. Nothing for too long on here, but I have seen this be a pretty popular niche. Now we've literally not scrolled down very far at all, and we've already found a lot of different examples, but let's try something else where we take a keyword like this and let's duplicate this tab here and let's just search all-in-one. Now we're going to see all different types of products like this now, honestly. We're going to see digital products, physical products, fentanyl addiction. Maybe not a good one to try this out on. Ready to take control of your finances. This could be an interesting search term to see, maybe without this emoji. Okay, we have the ads that we just saw there. Some other ones. Tired of complicated budgeting.
Are you ready to take control of your finances?
You're gonna get me demonetized. Interesting. The Sato store, 14.99 euros. Sato. I wonder if they know what Sato is or if they just made that up. I live in Puerto Rico and they call Satos, like stray dogs are Satos. But let's take a look here and go to view ads of the page. They got 0 likes, so this gotta be fresh. Look, honestly, what I'm seeing right now is more and more people are finding out about digital dropshipping and trying this out for themselves. So if you're gonna do this, you need to do it now because it's probably not going to get any easier. Actually, not probably, it's definitely not going to get any easier, but that's how it is with basically every opportunity and every business model. Now let me show you how I use this tool when I do use use it. I feel honestly like I've been kind of lucky with the searches that I've been doing on the Facebook ads library on this video. Usually it's not that easy, or maybe I'm just getting better at it because we found a lot of good examples on here so far. But what I will do on Dropship.io, for example, is I can do deselect all, I can do digital goods. Remember, these are all Shopify stores, and I want to do a maximum of 10 products on these stores, and I want to search. And then what I'm going to do here in the search results is I'm going to rank it by digital product. And one thing is that this is never perfect, it's never exact, but it does kind of help me get like a better idea on the things that I'm looking at. So I'll just kind of click and open the tabs of things that I feel like are somewhat related to what I would consider digital dropshipping. So we have some of the ones that I just picked up. What is this? Play October, not really something that I want to see. Lead magnets for interior designers. I like that approach actually. Page not found. Self-care planner from Healing Season. This is getting a little bit closer. I mean, the $10.99 price point is not something I'm super interested in. One thing that you can do as well on here is kind of like the Facebook ads library tool, but you're looking specifically at Shopify stores. So I can do keywords. So for example, I can do in description keywords. I can do instant access since I'm looking specifically for digital products. And now specifically, I'm seeing Shopify stores that have the words instant access in the product description. So spooky bundle, 200 plus laser cutting file. This is pretty good. And then what I'll do if I find an example of a digital dropshipping store that I like, just to see if it's something that is worth getting into, is I'll copy the link, then I'll go over to the Facebook ads library, like where we started originally, and then I'll search here, and then I'll just see if they're running any ads on Facebook. So it looks like here they have just one active ad that's running since September 15th, which is a good amount of time, almost 2 months, but I'm surprised that it's only one ad. Let's go back here and see if they're doing anything else. So I just see their Facebook page. Sometimes they'll have an Instagram, or sometimes I'll see a TikTok, like they'll just randomly have like a few 100,000 followers on TikTok, and that becomes something that they get a lot of traffic from. Now let me remove the filter and see what inactive ads they have. Okay, so they ran this one for just one day, November 2nd and 3rd. I feel like they didn't give it a fair chance. October 7th, 8th, September 15th to 24th. This one since the 15th. They haven't tested a ton of ad creatives. So I would say this probably has potential simply by the fact that they've been running the ad for it for almost 2 months, and no sane person, no sane digital dropshipper is going to be spending money on ads for 2 months if it's not profitable. And maybe there are other stores selling products like this that I could search for by searching a keyword like this, laser cut bundle. Let's just see if there's anything similar. Active ads, not really looking for something like that. SVG files, let's see what they got here. $27 for these. This is more landing page funnel style. We have Art Digital. This looks pretty similar actually. Yes, this looks like a Shopify store. Let's check it out. It is in fact a WordPress store, but very similar approach with the type of product. So let's go to the page and see how many ads they're running, because their page has 2,905 likes. Active ads, they have 11 results, as you can see right here. And it looks like they're running this offer both in English and in Spanish, which is really, really cool, because some of the top students in DDM over the past several months have been running offers in different languages. And what that's been able to do is target these markets that technically are smaller in amounts of people, but those same people haven't been marketed towards specifically in their own native language, which means that there's a lot of potential to sell these products that have done very well in English to more specific markets that speak other languages, whether it's French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, anything else. That is a huge opportunity. So if you speak another language outside of English, you have a huge opportunity when it comes to digital dropshipping. And that doesn't go to say that you can't do this in English. I'm just saying that we have a lot of students that join DDM and they speak other languages, but they're like, Tanner, I want to do it in English because I want to sell to the United States. But I'm like, look, you have something that I don't have, that a lot of people don't have, that join this community, where you can make an offer and do it in your own language and likely get some pretty insane results. Now, if you want to learn more about what the DDM community is and everything that we do to help you sell your very own digital products, I've created the best program, the best system, the best landing page, everything that you need to create your own digital dropshipping store with actual coaching and support to help you make your first sales and scale from there. If you want to learn more about how that works, just message me the word freedom on Instagram and we'll have a conversation and see how I can help you the most and if we're even a good fit. So now after seeing this store as well here on Facebook with a similar offer with similar ads running actively since October 19th, then this leads me to believe that this is a niche that is is in demand and something that I would consider a winning digital product. And it's getting dark now, so I'm gonna get a quick workout and then head back to my family for dinner. But I hope you got some value out of this video, and I want you to actually apply it. And if you have any questions, just let me know. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a big like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.